Good day, traders. Welcome to Rambo Chart, a channel that using the simplest way to explain economy and investment. Okay, have a nice day today, and let's go into the content today. Okay, today I'm going to predict and share some of my analysis and my point of view of Fed interest, FOMC interest, and it is coming. Now it's 11 p.m. and the interest 11 p.m. at my side, so the interest is coming to announce in another 3 hours. And Celsius, is it going to bankrupt? And what about other exchange? Is it the exchange still safe for us? And in bear market, what will happen to altcoins? Because one of my friend, he just recently bought 4,600 U of a type of GameFi coin. Then the price is already dropped, and now it's only value about 400 US dollar. So in bear market, altcoin, is it safe? And another one is the BTC review. So I'm going to share in explain and conclusion. Okay, let's go into the main topic now. First, we look at the Fed interest. Okay, this if you did watch my previous video, which is I posted yesterday, the percentage of Fed is going to increase 50 basis point is 71%, 71.6%, and 75 basis point is 28.4%, which this is yesterday. This is yesterday. Okay, and let's see today. What is now? Okay, now is 75 basis point. Okay, they estimate which Fed is not going to increase 50%, which 100% will go to 75 basis point, and 94.8% will go to 75 basis point, and 5.2% will go to increase 100 basis point. Okay, this is few minutes ago, and this website is the prediction is changing from time to time. I'm going to share the website link at my comment below. So if you are interested, you can click on and you can do some research. And they also predict for July, September, November, December, and December. November, December, and next year January. So you can go to visit this website yourself and take a look on the interest rate they are going to increase. But from my prediction yesterday, I did mention there's a chart that I did yesterday, which normally Fed need to increase the interest rate in order to control and to reduce the inflation rate. If let's say in this point now the interest is only 1%, which the CPI rate, inflation rate is 8.6%, then how much do you think Fed will going to increase in order to control the inflation? So for me, I think 50% is a must. 75 basis point, 50 basis point is a must, and 75 basis point maybe, which CME here, they do a prediction, which they predict tonight they are going to, later on, 3 hours later, they are going to increase 75 basis point. Let's see what happened in the past history. Okay, I did do some research on the past history that I taken this information from Wikipedia. And this is the history of Fed increased interest from year 2001 until recently, which the last one is 2022 May 4th, or the May 4th, or the last round of interest rate increasing. But when I look at this chart here, I found something interesting, which is from a Bitcoin give birth in the year of 2010. So from 2011 onwards, there is no history that Fed ever increased 50 basis point or 75 basis point. But from last month, we can take some history and take a look on what happened last month when Fed increased the interest. After Fed increased the interest, what happened to Bitcoin and what happened to Ethereum? Okay, let's see. Okay, we go to Bitcoin first. Okay. So on the May 5th, Asia time is May 5th. After the Fed announced increase for 50 basis point, what happened is Bitcoin pump for 3.6% first. Then after that, at 3 o'clock, starting from 3 o'clock that day, on the 5th of May this year, dropped for how many percent? Until here, for 7 days and 12 hours, dropped for 33%, total of what $13,000. How about Ethereum? Okay, let's see. Ethereum here. Also, after the announcement at 2 a.m. Asia time, Ethereum pumped for 4.3%. And after that, what happened after 3 o'clock? At 3 o'clock, start from 3 o'clock, dump, crash for correction for how many percent here? We have 39%, which is $1,150. So what will happen tonight? I don't know. Maybe who know? You pump, but I don't see any reason the Bitcoin and Ethereum can pump tonight. The trend now, it might be the same. It might pump a bit first, then dump again. Okay, let's go into the second topic, which is Celsius is going to bankrupt, and what about other exchange? There's some okay, here the crypto news. Okay, crypto lender company Celsius suspended their withdrawal and locking up billions of US dollar in user fund amid the extreme market condition. Okay, they said extreme market conditions, so they cannot allow people to withdraw the funds from their exchange, which I don't think it makes sense. Okay, so for us as a user, we need to do full research and good research in which platforms or which exchange that we are going to use. This one we have to bear in mind. Another thing is that the third one, which is bear market, altcoin can survive or not. One of my friend bought 4,600 U, not much. Maybe for a normal person which is working, and this is their savings already. But he went to buy some the GameFi, one of the GameFi coin at I don't want to talk about that, but he lost 90% of his funds if he sell the coin now. So in bear market, okay, let's see what happened to Bitcoin and Ethereum from all-time high. Okay, we can see if for Bitcoin went into the highest is 69,000, and it drops until now is already dropped almost 70%. And how about Bitcoin? How about Ethereum? Okay, let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum from all-time high 4,000, if I'm not mistaken, 4,900, almost 4,900. Yep, 4,900 until now is dropped 77%. So in this bear market, the big brother and the second brother can drop for 70% to 80%. What about altcoin? So when we in this bear market, if we want to invest in altcoin, I would think that is very dangerous. So this is just a alert, just a reminder. But I don't mean that all the altcoin is not good, but the risk is there. So we have to control our risk. And another thing is that, okay, we go to the fourth part, which is the review now. Okay, lastly, we go to review. Let's go back to Bitcoin chart first. Okay, tonight I'm going to talk about Bitcoin only. I'm not going to talk about other coins. Okay, from here, I can see some. Okay, let me show the volume, the trading volume here. Okay, let's see the trading volume. Okay, on Monday, selling volume is very high. It's higher than the 12th of May, and yesterday is quite high as well, as you can compare from the 20th of May, also very high. And today is considered high as well, is as high as the 20th May, and it's not over yet because FOMC interest is coming, and at the 2:30 a.m., which is 2:30 p.m. at US time, Fed is going to, no, sorry, Joe Powell is going to give speech on the interest rate. So I would think the price is not stable yet. If we want to do long position, it's quite dangerous. And if we want to do short position, and we cannot find any resistance yet. So because if we want to do trade, it would be better for us to find some signal like this. Okay, somewhere like here. Okay, correction, dump, a bump, and we can find a resistance here, which this resistance can become a something like bearish flat. Okay, because here is a bearish flat here, so we can see the bearish flat is already done. So if we would want to do short position, I would think better if we wait for another bearish flat. But tonight situation is different because FOMC interest rate is going to announce at 2 a.m. So I would think most probably the price will drop again, or will drop some more. Don't know. It might happen like the 5th of the 4th of May, the 5th of May 2 a.m. as well. A little pump first, then down again. Don't know. Let's see what's happened tonight. So be careful with the just for my analysis. It's just very simple way. I look at the history, take some example from the history, and look at the chart pattern, candle pattern, and find the resistance and the support, and see the trading volume at the VOL, the volume, and I will look at MACD as well. These are the indicators I use. So this is my share for tonight. So let's go into conclusion. Okay, conclusion is that, okay, I didn't change. Okay, increase 50% or 75 basis point. I would think tonight 50 basis point is a confirm. 75%, yes, maybe. So from history, last month, on the 5th of May, so what happened is a little pump first, 3% to 4%, then a big dump for 30% to 40%. And this one we have to be careful. I don't think it can pump a lot tonight, so I don't think this is the right time to do long, and I don't think this is the right time to buy coin now, any coins. Okay, and for me, this is my own opinion, my own decision, just for your reference, but not any advice. Okay, choose exchange and platform wisely, especially some ABC XYZ exchange or ABC XYZ platform which are doing staking. This one we have to bear in mind. And Bitcoin and Ethereum crashed for 70% to 80% from the all-time high. What about altcoin? If you guys interested, I can do a video on the how can we choose exchange and platform, and another one is how can we choose what type of coin to invest. If you guys are interested, please let me know. And a big dance tonight is coming. It might have some 3% to 4% dump first, then after that crash, don't know. Or some crash first and then pull up, don't know. So please trade wisely. In this period, for me myself, I don't use big leverage. 10%, 10 times leverage is already very huge and very big already, because the price go up and go down with this in this type of period very seriously, very much. So there's a space. So please beware, please be careful and trade wisely, and thank you. This is my sharing for tonight. All the content in this video is my own personal point of view. It's not any financial advice. Thanks for your watching. If you think this video helps you and you like this video, please give me a like button. Share with your friend, your crypto friend, and your family, which you think this video can help them. Thank you very much and good night. Bye bye.